Find natural numbers m and n such that the expression 2m plus n over 23 is equal to 17 over the expression m plus n.
A few moments later.
7.
M is equal to 6. N is equal to 11.
You're right.
Me baby mouth 3 steps. I be boy more solve a question we say under less than 10 seconds. Step 1. Obey cross multiplication. Into ubenya 2m plus n times m plus n equal to 23 times 17. When you do her and how expanded and at 23 times 17 is on and how multiply because we understand a bit waste time a bit geometry. Step 2 a comparison 2m plus n so a chain m plus n 23 times 17 23 so a chain 17 into number so no ye the bema variable so number is so no ye the bema variable is so into we need two equations 2m plus n is equal to 23 equation 1 m plus n is equal to 17 equation 2. Step 3 elimination. When we say your n our first equation yes our n our second equation the obey say you be eliminate n plus plus into you be subtract variable is every variable esonumu. What subtract ya obenya 2m minus m ebe ma we say m n minus n ebe 0 ebe twem equal to 23 minus 17 ebe ma we say 6. Therefore m is equal to 6. Yenya m awie no now the ababa share one of the equations no mu no nya n enti me be share equation 2. You see equation 2 m plus n equal to 17. M is 6. To be 6 plus n equal to 17. N is equal to 17 minus 6. N is equal to 11. Therefore, m is 6, n is 11. In the top abominable, when your question be say 3 steps. Step 1, cross multiply. When you do step her and how who expand it and how who so multiply numbers I see no. Step 2, comparison. Number is no ebinya variable is number is no ebinya variable is so. Ubinya 2 equation as a simultaneous equation. Step 3, elimination. When you variable ba kwa na da kwa share equation ba ko no mu no nya the other variable. So what I say mo eti me da so ni mesua de ne aha KokoChem education YouTube channel. My videos be brave. Me dey check tricks a bit ma boa mo solve math exams and now quiz and 10 times so. No wetin beat time and our beat competitors our national science and math quiz. But more than say, won subscribe ya be subscribe. Na say video we so we be free ma. Share na like it. Na ma afoforo so ehu tricks. E bia asema metaka na say practice makes permanent. Na mujide na practice dey bia na won so obetimi aye. Esa be share edafoforo.
Think, learn